So defining a simple template is very easy. First, you start with a specific function or class or struct. You identify what the data types are that might need to change from one version of the function or class to another. Here we have an absval function that returns the absolute value of its int argument. Obviously, the same algorithm will work if we have a short int, or if we have a long int, or if we have a double or any other kind of numeric type. In the bottom part of slide 8 here, we have our good old BT node struct that we used to implement our binary search tree. We were using int values, but it should be clear that this same struct will work fine if we simply change that data type to double if we want a binary search tree of doubles, or char if we want a binary search tree of chars, or string, the standard type name string, if we want a binary search tree of strings. All we have to do is to identify that specific type in the function or struct or class and replace it with some made-up identifier. As I said, capital T is the most common choice. If you have more than one data type that you want to define in your template, it's conventional to use U, V, W, etc. But you can use any identifier that you prefer. And after you've replaced the specific data type in your function or structure, like int with T in absval or struct BT node, then you simply put the notation template type name identifier, in our case template type name T, above that function definition or that struct definition, and you're done. So here on slide 10, we show how we can convert our absval function and our BT node struct into a template function or a template struct. That is, we replace int with some identifier. We've chosen capital T here for absval, and we've put the notation template type name capital T above it. Or for BT node, we do the same thing. We change value from int to T and put template type name T above that structure definition. And now we can have BT nodes of int, BT nodes of double, BT nodes of string, BT nodes of char, etc., etc.